Hi, I'm Jules, and welcome to In the Tank with Korky. Did you know that a flapper leak is the most likely cause of water waste in your toilet? And right now, about 20% of toilets are leaking, wasting you water and money? In the event of a flapper leak, water escapes from your tank into your bowl, causing your fill valve to continuously run or turn on and off. Korky WaterWISE is the only fill valve available that will detect all flapper leaks and stop the flow of water into your tank. Now, as always with Korky, the installation is easy. This project will take you less than 10 minutes and no tools are required. The height easily adjusts to the water line marked in your toilet, and with a simple twist, it locks into place. Korky fill valves fit all brands and tank heights. If you are looking to upgrade your old toilet fill valve or ballcock and want to enjoy the benefit of leak detection, the Korky WaterWISE is your fill valve. Korky, the name trusted by the pro for over 50 years.